Hey everyone, Zer Eric here, and today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most reliable foundation boards for a modern system, the MSI MAG B850 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. The MAG series from MSI has built a strong reputation centered on stability and durability. These boards are purpose-built to handle high sustained loads, whether you're pushing frames in a game or rendering a complex project. The design emphasizes robust physical construction and effective heat management, ensuring critical components stay cool and stable under pressure. For those planning a build, the box includes several helpful assembly tools designed to make setup smoother and more efficient. Inside, you'll find the standard guides and notices along with a SATA cable for storage connections. MSI also provides the EZ M.2 Clips 2 and a remover tool, which simplify SSD installation by eliminating the need for screws. The package includes an EZ Wi-Fi antenna for reliable connectivity, as well as the 1-3 EZ Con cable version 2 that neatly manages front panel and fan cabling. Finally, the EZ front panel cable is included to make connecting the small case wires far less fiddly, ensuring a more straightforward and organized build process. Aesthetically, the Tomahawk maintains its identity. A dark, rugged look with subtle green highlights. It's a clean, purposeful design that reflects its focus on performance and endurance. Let's discuss the hardware that enables system performance and stability. The MSI MAG B850 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard features a high-grade 14 duet rail power system design. This translates to a robust 14+2+1 digital power phase design. By integrating high-quality 80A smart power stages and dual CPU power connectors, this design ensures that even the most demanding flagship-tier processors receive clean, stable, and sufficient power, allowing them to operate at their full potential without bottlenecking the system. Effective thermal management is essential for maintaining stable performance. The MSI MAG B850 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard addresses this with several advanced cooling solutions. Its extended heatsink and VRM heatsink feature large metal surfaces that efficiently dissipate heat from the power delivery components, which is particularly critical during heavy, sustained workloads. The M.2 Shield Frozer provides dedicated metal covers for M.2 SSD, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring that high-speed storage devices maintain peak performance. An enlarged chipset heatsink further contributes to system longevity and stability by keeping the central chipset cool. Beyond cooling, the board is ATX 3.1 ready, incorporating a supplemental PCIe power connector that delivers reliable additional power to support the high consumption and transient spikes of current and future high-end GPUs, making it ideal for both gaming and professional AI workloads. It also doubles the BIOS chip capacity to 64 megabytes, allowing MSI to include more features and ensure better compatibility with upcoming components. Finally, the OC engine and direct OC jumper provide users with precise tools for fine-tuning the system's base clock frequency, enhancing stability and enabling performance adjustments tailored to experienced overclockers. MSI has genuinely focused on making the assembly process straightforward by incorporating several user-friendly features. The toolless installation system with the EZ M.2 Clip 2 allows for screw-free SSD setup, while the improved EZ M.2 Shield Frozer makes both installation and removal even easier. For graphics cards, the EZ PCIe release enables quick removal or swapping with a simple button press, which is especially helpful in cramped builds. Cable management is also simplified through the EZ Con design, allowing newer MSI fans and coolers to connect with a single wire, or using the included cable to consolidate standard ARGB, fan, and USB connections. Adding to the convenience, the motherboard comes with a pre-installed I/O shield, front USB Type-C support, an EZ Wi-Fi antenna, a rear clear CMOS button, and the practical EZ front panel cable, all of which make the building experience smoother and more efficient. The MSI MAG B850 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard offers cutting-edge performance across storage, memory, and connectivity. For storage, it supports the latest speeds with one M.2 Gen 5x4 slot and two M.2 Gen 4x4 slots, providing builders with a high-speed tier suitable for any modern SSD. Memory performance is enhanced by the adoption of DDR5 technology, backed by dedicated design elements, class stability, and efficiency. On the networking side, the board is equipped with USB 20 gigabits per second ports, high-performance 5 GHz LAN, and Wi-Fi 7, delivering next-generation connectivity. The BIOS has also been revamped into Click BIOS X, featuring a cleaner, more user-friendly interface that simplifies tweaking and overclocking. Within this system, functions such as Latency Killer optimize memory timings to reduce latency, while X 3D Gaming Mode offers a simple toggle to boost 1080p gaming performance for AMD X3D processors. Additionally, High Efficiency Mode provides 4 preset configurations to improve memory bandwidth and reduce latency without requiring complex manual tuning. Other key features include performance presets, memory overclocking, hardware monitoring, profiles, search, and favorites, all designed to give users greater control and flexibility over their build. Now, let's talk real-world gaming. We tested the Tomahawk with a Ryzen 7 9700X and MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 5060 to see if the B850 chipset creates any bottlenecks. Here are the results. What are your thoughts on MSI focus on stability and builder-friendly features? Let me know in the comments below. Ultimately, the MSI B850 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is an expertly engineered motherboard. It successfully carries the MAG legacy of durability while incorporating crucial, forward-looking technologies. Its strength lies in its balanced feature set, delivering a robust power stage for high-end CPU stability, including Gen 5 storage, supporting Wi-Fi 7, and adding genuine quality-of-life improvements for the builder. It stands as a reliable, highly featured option for anyone building a high-performance system on this platform, offering a high degree of confidence and long-term utility for the investment. What are your thoughts on MSI focus on stability and builder-friendly features? Let me know in the comments below. If you appreciate tech reviews like this, please hit the like button and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.